Students, what is this? Can you describe it? Or what is written over there in this big letters? Can you refer what we are going to read about today? Okay, so this is a flag, this is a clock, and this looks like school, sun, clouds, children, bus, tire, color yellow, green, trees, and other things. All these which I have taken are names of something. Am I right? Whatever words we use to name those persons are called as naming words. So all these naming words are called nouns. So this is the topic for today's lesson number 3, grammar, nouns. So we are going to learn about nouns. So you all have remembered playing this game, name, place, animal, thing. So I have added 2 more columns, idea and feeling. So you can say that everything in this world which has a name is actually noun. So a noun can be defined as it is the name of a person, place, a thing, idea or feeling. A noun tells us what someone or something is called. It is the name of a person, place, a thing, a creature, a quality, an action or a state of mind. So let's see what are the different kinds of names. So there will be general name, group name, special name or describing names. So all these names are nouns. Now the next part of this is types of nouns or kinds of nouns. Now among these all names there are 2 kinds of things. One we can see, touch or feel, and another one which we do not or cannot. So all those things that can be seen, touched or felt, or where we can use our 5 senses or may have physical existence like person, place, animal or thing are called as concrete nouns. What are these called as? Concrete nouns. And the feelings or the ideas which we cannot see or we cannot use any of the 5 senses are called as abstract nouns. Okay. So, a proper noun may be the name of a particular person, collective noun, material noun, common noun. So, these are the 4 types of concrete noun. Okay. So, what we have learned that there are 2 main kinds of nouns, concrete nouns and abstract nouns. Concrete nouns are further divided into proper, collective, material and common nouns. And the concrete nouns can be seen, touched and have physical existence. And in abstract noun, we cannot see, feel or touch. That means the actions or ideas like laughter, quality like kindness, honesty, or feeling like sickness, or state of mind like revenge are all abstract nouns. See the following sentences. Vibha is happy because she won the first prize. Mr. Gupta lives in Kanpur. He won a prize for his bravery last year. Rohan is flying a kite with his sister. Now these blackened words Vibha, prize, Kanpur, Rohan, kite, sister and bravery tells about either the name of a person or a thing or a place or a relationship or a feeling or idea like that. So all these words are naming words and so they are nouns. Now this is a work for your notebook. You will do it in English 1 notebook. Circle the nouns in the following sentences. The first one is, my elder sister has a red umbrella. Honesty is the best policy. The postman delivered 2 letters in the morning. I saw elephants and lions at the zoo. It is cold in the month of December. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. My mother invited my friends for lunch. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Here, Dr. Rajendra Prasad you will write. Okay. Pankaj is having a bowl of cereal for breakfast. Tom went to the market to buy a basketball. This is the first exercise, and second one which you have to do in the copy is to identify the nouns and sort them into the correct categories. The same categories: person, place, animal, thing or idea or a feeling. So tooth, doctor, cheese, farm, them, school, joy, wolf, kitten, happy, hope, your, Rahul, orange, India. Okay, so this is the work you have to do in your notebook. Now let's see the kinds of the nouns. The first which comes is the common or a proper noun. See this one here. This also you have to do it in your notebook. Write the name of the correct nouns for each type using the words. Okay, so people who help us. Names of towns and cities, names of domestic animals, names of wild animals and names of flower. So here it is given: Ooty, Hyderabad, Lucknow, beer, lily, teacher, nurse, goat, lotus, marigold, dog, cow, rose, zebra, policeman and lion. Okay, so here you can see that Lucknow, Hyderabad and Ooty are the names of particular places. But here bear or bear doesn't have any specific name. We are not calling this bear. This can be any bear, not Mr. Particular bear. Okay, a teacher means any teacher from your school or any other school. There is no particular name is given. Lily, we don't give a particular name to any flower like rose. So what will be the name of your garden rose? Have you given a name? No. So all these names determine the names of things. Or some animals like dog or cow, or some flowers like lotus, marigold. So all these names which can be called or given to all the same kinds of the things or people or animals. Now see this one please. Piali is a teacher. Mumbai is the largest city in India. Burj Khalifa is a very tall building. My pet cat Doris is 2 years old. Now see here. We have given a specific name here, Piali. And we have used a different term. So both Piali and teachers are noun. But Piali is the name of a specific teacher. So Piali is a proper noun. And whereas teacher denotes all the teachers. So it is a common noun. Mumbai and city and India. So India is the name of a particular country. Mumbai is the name of a particular place. And city is referred to the all cities. So Mumbai and India are proper nouns, whereas city is a common noun. Same for here. Burj Khalifa will be a proper noun and building will be a common noun. So cat again will be a common noun, and Doris, the name given to my pet cat, is a proper noun, and cat will be a common noun. So now you know about the proper noun and the common noun. So let's define it. A common noun is the name given in common to all people, places, animal or things that are of same kind. Whereas a proper name, a proper noun or a proper is the name given to a specific person, place or animals. Like here you can see name of the places, rivers, oceans and seas, Canada, Ganges, Pacific Ocean, Arabian Sea. So it is, okay, we are calling it River Ganga or like this. Name of the organization like United Nations, Indian Air Force, Indian Army, our school, okay, St. Anne's School, like that. Famous buildings or monuments, India Gate, Taj Mahal, Red Fort. Languages, Hindi, Tamil, French, Bengali. Months, October, November. Days of the week, Sunday, Monday, all are proper nouns. Then, titles like Miss, Mrs., Mr. are also coming under the proper noun. Festivals and special days, books, films and newspapers also in proper noun. Now, this one is for your copy. Write whether the following are common or proper nouns. Jack, beehive, library, Harry Potter, Donald. So you have to write either proper noun or common noun. Muffin, Easter, shop, June, market. Okay.